Those of you in Nigeria making noise, both Asari Dokubo and other people I'm seeing on social media ranting and making noise.
Please, my fellow Biafrans, help me and share this particular video. If you know that you like what they do, if you know that you like to support Biafrans, this message is for Asari Dokubo and the Nigerian government. This our brother who they serve in USA military don't finally come out again to warn Nigeria government and the Asari Dokubo that what they are doing, that USA is coming for them. So just take one of your time and listen to him. As they watch this particular video like this, do not forget to drop your thoughts under the comment section, because he seriously warned Nigeria government and Asari Dokubo. So if you know that you are an Igbo man, you are a Biafra, and you are still serving Nigeria government, my brother, you better quit and go find something doing, because USA is coming for you people. So as they watch this video like this, drop your thoughts under the comment. What do you think about this opinion, about what he's saying? Share and also tag Nigeria government under the comment section. Thank you and God bless you. One love.
You know, some of us here in social media, we are not coming regularly, you know, showing you that whenever we come and say something, it's like that is going to be. So what is happening in Iran today? Those of you in Nigeria making noise, both Asari Dokubo and other people I'm seeing on social media ranting and making noise. What is happening today in Iran? Where is Iran today? You know, if you don't know who passed you, if you don't understand that United States is bigger than you, if you don't understand that, anyway, the same thing is going to happen in that country called Nigeria. It will happen. You will see it happen. US and Israel is coming for that country to make sure that all the terrorists is eliminated. You will see it happen. You will see it.
After the sea and nation, you have all this. Look at it. Look at all these rules. As I reward this for running your mouth. Thank you very much as you share this video, like, comment, follow me without no reason.
The new leader of Iran, has been struck. But he was very lucky. He just got injury. And other family members was killed. And as I'm telling you right now, the new leader is hiding.
Cubana chief foul, Cubana chief idiot, Cubana chief iberibe, Cubana chief ewu. I nwere obi meponu jiri de sin ndi Igbo wunde meri na ya to fear ihere emegi ọ na-agbagbuo gị ebe anyị nọ kwuo ya. Okay, why je ekwu ị chọrọ ikwu nke ọzọ n'Igbo? Why so ya n'Oyibo? Onye ala, a very very stupid person without no respect. I will tell you in your face that no name will uche at all. Ndị Igbo is not in the Merinaya. Oh, Kinwa, na your squad. Gina Cubana Mandio to Guinea Nebunde Merinaya, not Igbo people. We can never be defeated and never in this life. Easy, Onyala, Buddha Foka, or Fibroid.
Obi Cubana, you said in a recent speech that Ndi Igbo lack knowledge and that you are here to educate them. So I paid careful attention to the education you would offer to Ndi Igbo. And you said something about connecting Ndi Igbo to the center, and you garnished it with proverbs about eggs and baskets. Is that the political education you have to offer the Nigerian youths and Ndi Igbo? Let me also offer you a little free education. Power that is given to you can be controlled. If you lick boots to get power, you can't do much with that power, because the same people who handed that power to you, they still hold you on a leash. But power that is struggled for is different. Power that the people rise up to demand. Power that comes through free and fair elections. Power that comes from the will of the people. That is the kind of power that is able to move a country from point A to B. The paths you are trying to convince Ndi Igbo and Nigerian youths to follow is the part of begging for crumbs from the table of power. And any power gotten through this means can be taken back the moment the one who hands it over changes his or her mind. We are tired of turn-by-turn politics. We just want a country where leaders compete with results, where performance decides leadership. And that kind of country cannot be built with power that is begged for. Obi Kubana, run your city boy race in peace. But you see that statement that Ndi Igbo lack knowledge is a huge error from you. Thank you.
Information reach my table.